If your child can't focus on anything for more than 5 minutes, and you're wondering how long it will take for their attention span to recover from screen addiction, there's a specific timeline that shows exactly when you'll see improvements. Most parents give up after 2 weeks because they don't understand that attention recovery happens in stages, each building on the last. By the end of this video, you'll know the month-by-month recovery timeline, so you can celebrate progress at each stage instead of expecting everything to change overnight. Month 1 is foundation building. During the first 4 weeks, your child's brain is primarily recovering from withdrawal and rebalancing dopamine levels. Don't expect dramatic attention improvements yet. What you will see is reduced restlessness, fewer complaints of boredom, and brief moments where they engage with activities for 10-15 minutes. This is their attention system, beginning to stabilize after constant overstimulation. Month 2 brings the engagement breakthrough. This is when you'll notice your child can sustain focus on preferred activities for 20-30 minutes. They start finishing puzzles, they begin, complete art projects, and play with toys in sustained ways rather than constantly switching activities. Their brain has regained enough dopamine sensitivity that natural activities feel rewarding again. Month 3 shows attention depth development. Your child begins demonstrating what researchers call flow states, periods of complete absorption where they lose track of time. They might spend an hour building an elaborate structure or become deeply engaged in imaginative play. This is when you know their attention system has fundamentally recovered its capacity for deep focus. Here's your actionable insight. Track attention milestones rather than comparing to arbitrary standards. Note the longest period your child focuses on any activity each week. In month 1, this might be 10 minutes. Month 2, 25 minutes. Month 3, 45-60 minutes. This progressive tracking shows you the recovery is happening even when daily behavior seems unchanged. It also helps you recognize that a child who can focus for 20 minutes today couldn't do that 3 weeks ago. The recovery isn't linear. Some weeks will show dramatic improvements while others seem to plateau. This is normal brain development, not regression. Your child's attention capacity is rebuilding neural pathways that were suppressed by screen addiction. And this process naturally includes consolidation periods where progress seems stalled. By month 4 and beyond, most children reach age-appropriate attention spans. A 5-year-old should sustain focus for 15-25 minutes on challenging tasks and much longer on highly engaging activities. A 7-year-old should manage 25-35 minutes of sustained attention with capacity for extended engagement in areas of interest. The key is understanding that attention recovery follows dopamine system recovery. Your child's ability to focus improves as their brain regains sensitivity to natural rewards. This is why month 1 shows minimal change. The neurochemical foundation is still rebuilding. Month 2 brings visible improvement as dopamine sensitivity restores. Month 3 demonstrates full capacity as neural pathways strengthen. Parents often worry when their child's attention span at week 3 doesn't match their peers who never had screen addiction. Remember, you're comparing a brain that's 3 weeks into recovery with brains that never needed to recover. Your child will reach age-appropriate attention capacity, but comparing mid-recovery to never addicted creates unnecessary discouragement. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with relating to your kid's obsession with screens. Click the link or check my bio to discover an ebook that can give you all the skills that you need to stop your child's screen addiction.